When users access their app for the first time, they are prompted to set their preferences for a more customized experience. They can easily configure the push notifications they receive and decide on location tracking through the first few welcome screens. QuickSeries takes user privacy very seriously. A user's location history is never stored, so their whereabouts remain confidential. Let's go over what app users will see when they first launch your app. First, they will be greeted by a welcome screen. Clicking on Get Started will begin their setup. On the push notifications screen, they can click on Allow if they want to receive alerts when there are new updates or announcements. Or they can select Ask Me Later if they don't want to receive notifications. Next, they select Allow if they'd like the app to use their current location to deliver region-specific information. The app will then use their GPS coordinates to determine their location. Please note, this feature requires a user's permission to let the app use their location while it is not in use. In the pop-up window, the user needs to make their selection, Allow once, just this time, or Allow while using the app, only while the app is open, or Don't Allow, will never track their location. In the next pop-up window, they need to select when the app can use their location, only while using the app or always, regardless of app usage. They then need to click on Go to Settings to set their location preferences, or they can select Don't Track My Location if they've changed their mind. In the Settings menu, they click on Location, then select Always from the list. They need to slide the Precise Location button at the bottom of the screen on if they would like the app to use their specific location. They can slide it off if they only want it to determine their approximate location. On the zip code screen, users can click on Add a zip code to ensure the relevance of the alerts and notifications they receive. They simply enter their zip code and a label, like home, work, school, and press Add. They can then click Done to complete the onboarding process or add another zip code to add another location. And that's it, they're done. Their location preferences have been customized.